Hey, Native Nerd here. Today I'm doing unboxing of the classic block, and then we're gonna do my buddy over there, Chewy.
Yo.
Then we're gonna do Mike. Introduction to our new group.
Ponkey.
Ponkey. Okay, we're gonna start with mine. Use a giant sword today.
I kind of call the great sword.
Yeah. We're doing all 4 of the nerd blocks, what they offer.
That's
Besides the kids'
anime.
ones.
This is the anime box. I'm not sure what's in it, but I like some anime, but not all of it. Fucking Kingdom Hearts bullshit.
See what we got.
Alright. Got a pop vinyl figure from Dragon Ball Z.
Alright.
Frieza's final form. American rights.
Yes.
And we got an invertible bandana, multifunction headwear. It's a bandana of something. I'm really not going to open it because I'm never going to use it.
I'll use it for
Oh, fuck no. We got some gay buttons from some gay show I have no idea about. See that bullshit?
Oh yeah.
Only thing kicking ass is the...
No!
Oh, yes! You got a book!
I got a book. I'm dumb Indian. You can read it.
Evangeline.
What?
Evangeline. This is this. It's some Japanese book.
Neon Genesis, the Shinjiaki Raising Project.
It's weird because you read it backwards.
Is it in English?
Yes, you're not supposed to read it that way.
Oh.
Stop and go back to the book. It's right there. That's supposed to be the front of the book, but it says stop and go to the back, so you read it like fucking backwards.
Asians read their books
They're
backwards.
weird. Sorry to say.
They probably think we're weird too.
Like I have an Asian fans. Oh, we got a little tote bag of
Nines.
I'm not sure who that is. And you guys know?
Nope.
Nope.
I don't know, but that's a nice bag anyway.
Yeah. There's a shield on it, so that's kind of cool. Guess we're too native to know. And we got another weird freaking shit I don't know what about. Mobile suits. It's from something.
Hey, you didn't let us look at it first. It's some sort of like mask. It looks kind of like a transformer.
Yeah, I think it was supposed to be a knockoff or something of the Transformers back in the day.
Kind of like the fucking cat that you put up.
Oh, Gundam! It's from Gundam Wing.
Oh shit.
Really?
Only thing that's good is the freeze.
Another disappointment. But my pop vinyl's good.
Yeah, you just spent $32 on a pop vinyl.
Yeah! Now we're gonna do him.
I got the comic, the first comic that came out, comics block. I use Bowser's freaking, he's all dick jagged edged. First comic block, and I don't even know what it's about. Action Comics.
Cool.
And then Secret Wars. With Deadpool and Falcon.
Alright.
And I don't know what the heck this is about. Messed up comic. But I'll probably try reading that later on. Oh, sweet. Gave me a poster.
Batman, yeah.
That's just your hat.
Real nice.
Because I'm wearing the hat too.
Which I waited line at Fan Expo for a ridiculous amount of time.
Worst t-shirt ever. That's pretty.
That's awesome. I
Awesome
love it.
t-shirt, right?
Yeah. That's pretty awesome.
So yeah, I guess I'm gonna stick with the comic block now.
Because he's cheap.
No, because of the shirts. Fan of the shirts and the comics. So I guess it's Mike.
I'm Batman. Use master sword.
Yeah.
Thank you. Get her out of them.
Fox Snake freaks out over me. Why not go over there?
Okay, what do we got here?
Alright, shirt. Nice. Okay, we have Will Graham from Hannibal there.
Yeah, I think that's from Hannibal.
Yeah.
I don't know. I got it too.
The new TV series, I have nothing to know about.
Giving your hand a little left.
And I don't know why. The last time I did too, and I have a horror block short film festival here, but I usually always get like something to do with like the
theme.
yeah. But the last one I thought we were gonna do a little bit with what's it called Zelda with the soundtrack. And then I got Nonsense at the Beginning of Time. Has the world be held of terror like this? But kind of like that. It's actually awesome.
Oh yeah, it's from
Isn't it like awful there?
no, it's like from the Lagoon movies.
Oh, yeah.
He's the monster.
It's gonna eat you.
Weird stats, more facts. Nice little book here.
Another book? I'm paying for books.
And
Anything you need to read.
I think we're dumb. All those movies.
yeah, I got another book right over here. Comic.
Well, that's all right. It tells you about horror movies and other stuff.
What's about the human centipede?
Oh right.
No.
Yeah. Human Centipede 3.
God.
Yes, I watched that movie. It's awesome.
No, I'm never watching that movie. It sucks.
Ponkey needs watching.
I'll watch that movie.
You guys' next date night.
How romantic.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, I'm done with that. Yeah, here comes the shirt. Better not be Human Centipede.
Silent Hill.
Yeah! I can
Sweet.
take my sweater off.
He's got one, no, I got one.
Now they can be matching.
Now we're gonna pass it off to Ponkey over here.
Oh, you call me Ponkey. Okay. This is my first one, so bear with me. I have the arcade block.
What sword are you using?
Stick
The Master Sword, please.
Giant.
Oh my
Giant
God.
sword, baby. Baby, you were using
Let me do it.
I can do it myself.
Yeah. Ooh. Okay. So shirt for last. We have a hat from Special Force Foxhound hat.
Oh, that's awesome.
That's
hat.
pretty awesome.
Oh, I can't even fit it anymore.
So, for
My head's too
Allison.
big.
I guess Ponky's getting a hat.
Sure. Ooh. A magnet.
All right.
Kick punch. From the game from PlayStation. With the big onion.
Who's got a big onion?
South Park, the stick of truth, the warrior. Little South Park guy.
Whoa, harsh.
Oh, what's his face?
Oh, it's Stan.
Oh, Stan.
Got Stan.
All right.
Stan the man.
Ooh.
Hush.
Oh my God. Seriously? blue shell on board, guys.
That is awesome.
It's a sign.
Yeah. For when I'm Bowser and you throw it at me. Okay. Ooh. Oh, sweet. It's a jar, and it's got the hearts on it. Sweet.
Cute.
That's so cute. Considering how much I love Zelda.
I know what I'm using that for.
Yeah. And the shirt.
Cute.
That's cool.
Creature select.
What is it?
It's a creature select. It's a battle form.
Oh, cool. And that's it.
Okay, everybody. Until next time. Native Weird out.